Hello?
Mr. Brown's line's busy. Please wait.
Well, I don't know why I'm calling you at all. That was not a good idea. The reason is more than ridiculous. Remember, you received a letter. Marie told you it was her letter, but it was mine. I was, comment dit, broken completely. As you told me that a person who writes letters in this manner has to become your wife. How could you possibly think it was her? Why did you believe her story? Why didn't I tell you it was mine? Why did I have to wait for 20 long years? Getting old with that story on my mind. Getting adult by enjoying smiles of another man, not your smiles. My kids have your smiles when they sleep. When I dream, I see how I make pancakes for you, and you make me coffee. My favorite. Remember that Indian one we saw in that famous boutique, and I told you it was my favorite. And no one believed that there is coffee in India. Even baristas didn't. Coffee from Guatemala is also not bad, but only when it is not hot anymore. Like fried eggs. They are more tasty when not hot anymore. Like croissant. Butter. Butter. I have to buy more butter. I remember I stole a package of butter from the grocery store next to my parents' house when I was 6. We didn't have money to buy more butter, and my mother was very sad about that, so I stole it. Later I said that I found it on the street. I said the same thing about the shoes I brought home when I was going to the university, that I found it on the street. These were good shoes, Italian leather, my favorite. Sometimes I was selling things I was finding on the street. This way I paid for my studies and bought my first Chanel bag, because I thought that you could have liked to buy me Chanel bags if we were together, if we were married, if you knew it was me who wrote the letter to you so many years ago in New York. How could you be so stupid and not realize that it was me who wrote the letter to you? You were supposed to be mine. You are still supposed to. And my children are your children. And you never called them and never asked how were they doing. You forgot your own kids. What a father! And all that after all what I did for you. After all my struggles, stress. I paid by myself for all the houses and apartments. Maybe you want us to buy a new house for us? Maybe that is what you were waiting for so many years. Could give my children to the monastery and then we would be together? Only 2 of us? Happy forever? That is what you were waiting for. To leave me without my kids. You are a terrible person, you know. Why is there such a long silence?